Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll quickly learn how to secure your Gmail account by adding two-factor authentication. This additional layer of security adds an extra step to the login process, enhancing the protection of your account. Let's get started, and if you enjoy content like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, begin by logging into your Gmail account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. In the Google account dashboard, go to the Security section. Scroll down and locate the Use your phone to sign in option. This feature allows you to use your phone as a prompt for signing in. Click on Get Started under the Two-Step Verification section. You'll be prompted to add a phone number. Enter the number you want to use for two-step verification. Choose whether you want to receive verification codes via SMS or a phone call. In this example, we select SMS. Enter the verification code received on your phone and click Next. Review the information about two-step verification and click Turn on to activate it. For added security, you can generate backup codes. Click on Get Backup Codes and save them in a secure place. These codes can be used if you don't have access to your phone. Log out your Gmail account and attempt to log in from incognito mode. You'll be prompted to enter the SMS code to complete the login. And there you have it! You've successfully activated two-factor authentication for your Gmail account, enhancing its security. You can also explore options like using the Google Authenticator app for added convenience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!